How to verify your Bybit account. If you want to verify your account on Bybit, it is rather simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Bybit application right here. Once you launch the Bybit app, this is the type of option that you'll be able to see. Now what you want to do from here is, if you have not verified your account, you'll find a pop-up right at the top that says complete verification to deposit and trade. So tap on the verify now button that you can see. So here you can see what are the things that we need to verify. We need our proof of identity, which could be our national citizenship ID, your documents like your passport or driver's license that proves that you are a real citizen belonging to a certain country where Bybit is allowed. Now here you can also see identity assessment, which means a proof of identity which will be successfully verified. Now to start verification, tap the verify option. Choose your country of region for your documents. Then after that, simply choose your document type, whether you'd like to upload a passport, which is by the way recommended, or driver's license or ID card or residence permit. Once done, you must follow the steps below to confirm your identity, which is government issued ID and also a selfie verification. So you must be ready for a selfie verification, and the selfie verification, which means your face needs to be matching to the ones that you submit on document. So tap on the confirm button. It will ask you to go ahead and select that. So it will ask you to ensure all the details on your submitted documents are clear and legible. So make sure there isn't a harsh lighting underneath your document. And then once you hit tap on continue, you have to simply go ahead and then take and scan the front side as well as the back side of the picture of your document. And once you've done that, you'll be able to verify your identity on Bybit. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.